Hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasale. Welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. A lot of people have been asking me on how to make perfume. Some even want to book appointment with me on how to make perfume. Then I felt like, wow, why should you come to meet me on this? It's simple. So I'll be making this reviewed on how to make perfume. Number one is you need to know that there are two ways of making perfume. You can use ethanol or you can use oil. We have the alcohol-based perfume and we have the oil-based perfume. And also we have spray. I want you to understand that the difference between the alcohol-based perfume and the oil-based perfume is that oil-based perfume is diluted with oil, while alcohol-based perfume is being diluted with methanol. And the difference between a spray and a perfume is that the alcohol in spray is of higher percentage than perfume. So what makes the difference between the three? One is being mixed with oil, we call it oil perf. Then the other one that we know as perfume is being mixed with methanol. And the third one of spray is being mixed with methanol on a higher level. For example, if you're mixing a perf with 100% methanol, if you are to mix body spray, you are to mix it with maybe 200%. So it's just the level of alcohol that makes the difference between the normal perfume and the body spray. While what makes the difference between the normal perfume and body oil is the oil. Now, how to produce? There are two ways to produce. You can start making your own brand or just play around with the brands that are available. Let me pick it again. You can make your brand or produce from what is available. How do I mean? You see, perfume generally are just being extracted oil. That means you look at any leaf, you extract the oil from it. The oil will contain the scent of that particular leaf. For example, orange. If you extract the oil around the peel, the orange peel, you will get orange perf. The same thing with tangerine. The same thing with anything, banana, anything. So we now have three kinds of extract. We have extract from flowers, we have extract from plants, we have extract from wood. That means, for example, a mango tree, what we use as herb, you can extract the perf. So that is why you see some aggressive, funny perfumes. While you see some, flower perf like sunflower and so on. Then you now see some fruit perfs. Now, the difference between the three is that perfume that are being extracted from flower, they are light. Whenever you put it on your body, everybody around you, feel it fast. It moves into the hair faster. It is called top knot. That means it moves very fast. So that means it will leave your body very fast. So that means it disappears first. While the one that has been extracted from trees, they don't move fast, but they stay longer because they are lazy. When something moves fast, everything will move out fast. But when it is not moving fast, that means it stays where it is. So it lasts longer. While extraction from normal plants, maybe orange, tangerine, and so on, they are in between the two in their characteristics. So to produce your own brand, all you just need to do is to get those essential oils that are available that you want, do your testing by adding them together in a particular ratio of your own understanding. Make sure the one that stays is there, the ones that goes faster is there, the one that is in between is there. But that doesn't mean you have to use 3. You can decide to use 10, 20, 5, 2, any numbers of perf. It is your brand. So it is you that would look at it like, what do I need to add together? A lot of people keep asking me, my perfume, which one did I use? What makes you feel I use something that is extraordinary? I only did a video for you just to teach you not to use what I use. So that's just it. So you just add it in your own paste, in your own ratio, and that's all. Or there are some companies where you can buy the perfs themselves. They have mixed them in specific names. That means the perf that are in existence, some people have made something similar to them. For example, you can get Polo Black, you can get Sugar Baby, you can get 101. All these perfs that have been in existence for a very long while, they are raw perf has been produced for you and they are purchasing. So all you just need to do is just buy about 10-20 of them, then dilute them with oil if you want to use oil perf, which is most common. Then dilute them. The reason why you're diluting them, number one, for cost effectiveness, because they're expensive. If you just brand it like that, you want to sell at a higher price, and people might not be responding. Then number two is they're aggressive. They'll shock the person who is using it. It will no longer become a perf. When the person puts it on and goes out, before you know it, people around are getting irritated. So why give it raw? Dilute it. Even if you dilute at 50-50 ratio, oil versus essential oil, it will still be aggressive and it's okay. You want to use oil that does not have color and that will dissolve and does not have its own scent. For example, if you use coconut oil has its own scent. So the scent also is going to be part of your perf that you are producing. So that's it. So you just buy them, buy the bottles. The bottles are there. You can get them anywhere on the chemical stores. Then report to it and sell. It's as simple as that. There's nothing difficult. If you want to start a business and you really want to start a business, don't look for a person to sell it for you online, because that person is a retailer. That person will go and meet the store that sells it and will now resell it to you, and before you know it, you will add more DHL money and all sort of things. Take your time, travel to wherever you think they sell it at higher price. Maybe in Lagos, if you check around the Dumota Hacks, you will see. If you go to Ojota, you will see there. If you are not in Lagos, check around you and see. And if it will take you to go to Lagos, make your research. When you know the place, get their details, that means their contacts, then start transacting with them. You already know their office, and make sure it's not just a roadside office. You know, when you see a complaint that sells or a warehouse that sells, you know, so that the worst scenario, if anything happens, you can always come back to that place. So get there, get their details, do some buyings, even ask for more details, because they want to sell more and they will be ready to teach you what you can do, what you can add. Then you get the bottles, rebottle them and sell. It's as simple as that. You don't need to call me on this again. It's simple. So if you want me to sell it for you, I'll be selling it at a very higher price. It will not be reasonable because I don't sell. I have to go and buy and now sell for you at a retailer price, and you want to start business with it. Thank you very much. My name is Prince Yemi Kasale, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless.